Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the scholarship opportunities in Vietnam. And this scholarship is for undergraduate students, and any international student can apply for this opportunity in the session 2024-2025. And we will show you the full process for this. We'll show you the full process for this and how do you apply. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Vietnam scholarship for undergraduates is given in the video description below. You can check out the video description, link is given there. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see links are also given there. And in the Instagram bio, you can see here, links are also given there. As well as you can scan the QR code on the Instagram posts. It will take the same scholarship that you are scanning the code for. Meanwhile, you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. Once you are on this website, you can see that Vin University from Vietnam is offering this fully funded scholarship. In some cases, it is 100%, and in some cases, it might be 50 to 100. So it depends on your credentials. So you can apply for this. You can see multiple subjects are there. Even the Doctor of Medicine, MD is there, Bachelors of Nursing, Computer Science, all subjects are there, and you can apply for this. And for that, you have to simply scroll down and you can see link here to apply. So click on this link here. Now, once you click on that, you can see Vietnam University, Vin University official website is here, and you can see for the first time users, you can click here and create a new account. And if you already have created an account, you can simply log in. So click on this link to create an account. Once you click on that, you can see you have to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your country. Then select the state you are from, and then simply sign up. Once you sign up, you'll receive this type of email here, welcome to Vin University. So you have to click on this link to set up the password. Once you set up the password, you can come back to the login page. So let me sign in with the email and the password that I created. So here I have my email and password. Now I click on login, and okay, make sure that the username and password are correct. Okay, let me try again. Let me change this here and click on login. Let's refresh the page. I have just completed the process here. Okay. Okay, there's an email here. So let me click on login. Okay, you can see uh, it's now successfully logged in, and you can see personal information, academic information, non-academic achievements, writing an essay, then one-page CV and declaration. That's it. So you have to click here on this start application, start new application. So click on this link here, and once you click on that, new application will be started. So you can see it's loading, and you should just use a PC to fill the application. So you can see personal information, academic information, non-academic, program selection, essay and references, then document upload. So have you applied to Vin University before? So no, I have not. Then select your prefix, your first name, last name, then your gender and your date of birth. Mention that as per the passport. Okay, this has to be as per the format they have given. Here I have mentioned. Now select the country you are from. You have the citizenship, and then uh, your mobile number, email, then passport number, and after that select the nationality you have. Okay, here. So here I have selected that. If you are dual citizenship, you can submit that. Then submit the ethnicity you have. So you have to select here any of the applicable to you. So let me see any of the Asian is there or Thai. So let's submit other. And your religion, you can submit that. Then martial stats, you can submit that. And after that, contact information. So you can mention that. And then postal code, and after that you can submit the postcode, and then click on this same as the permanent address, and then family information. So you can see your family information. Suppose you mention the father's name here, and his email, whatever is mandatory, you can submit that, and mention the phone number. And after that, relationship to you, so you can submit any of this. And highest level of education, so you can submit any of the education data that your parent or brother holds, and you can submit that. Then one is sufficient. Then disability, do you have any of the disabilities, you can submit that. And family affordability, so you can say an amount of, here you can see, suppose 1 lakh amount of the, now let's suppose an amount here, and now click on save. So once you click on that save, you can see information is saved. Now let's go to the next, click on next, and that is the academic information. So mention high school information here, and mention the country you have completed the high school information, and then mention the state where you have completed, school name, and then type of high school, so you can say high school or international school, and then grades you have out of 10, so grade you got, so you can mention that. And grades in the class 11, so you can mention that. And then grades in the 12, so you can mention that. Then high school scores, a high school curriculum, so you can say international bachelorate we have, and you can submit the grades in your subjects here, so you can see. And you can mention other as well, so you can say like 9 score out of 10 here. Then if you have TOEFL's IELTS scores, you can submit that as well. And now I'll just click on save and move to the next. So let's click on next. So next is a non-academic achievement. So if you want to add that, I'll skip this. I'll click on next. Now is the program selection. So first choice is my bachelor's in economics, then multimedia communication, and then psychology. I say you can just choose your preference. Then click on next. And now you have the essay and references tab, so you can see. So mention the short essay here with a word limit of 400. So just mention that. And then the reference information, so professor's reference information, and mention that email here and his email, then the country he is from, and phone number, relationship to you, so you can say professor, or so you can say that. And his organization, then second contact, his email, and then contact number, his relation to you, and school organization name. Then click on next. Now you have to upload the documents. First is the passport. Let's upload the passport first. Here you can see, click on done. High school transcripts, click on done. Then upload your CV. Then if you have scholarship certificate or similar achievements, you can submit that. I do not have, I'll just skip that. Now I'll just upload a photograph here. Click on done. And now if any of these other documents you have, you can submit that. Now I'll just click on submit button here, so you can see you have to agree. Click on yes and click on agree. So you can see our application is now loading. You can see application submitted. So it will now refresh, take us to the home page. You can see our application is now done. So you can click on application status. So let's click on application. So you can see view application number, submission date, which college, program. So you can see under consideration. Now you can see we have successfully submitted this, and you might also receive the email after some time of the application submission, and it depends if they send it or not. So you can view your application here. You can modify it until the last date of the application. So you should not like take application that way so that you can edit after the submission. But in some cases, if you want, you can. But here you can see they are not allowing us to submit. So you can modify. Okay, there might be a modification method. Okay, you can chat with them as well. So okay, that's how you submit this. Now once your application is evaluated, once you are you get the offer, you'll be like having an offer letter, and right now we have no application fees due, so everything is clear. So then you can book for an interview. Once you receive the offer, everything will be on this dashboard. In the meantime, you can add another application. uh, you have already an active application, so you can create new application if you want for other courses as well. So that's how you submit the Vin University application. And in this, once your application is offered, once you are once you receive the offer letter, in that offer letter they will mention the amount of the scholarship you'll be receiving, either 50, 175%, any of the durations of the scholarship percentage they will be mentioning in that, and you will receive that in the offer letter. So no need to worry at all. And do also follow us on Instagram page. You can message us directly there, ask our team questions if you have doubts. And you can also visit our YouTube channel and check out all the scholarships that we have recently posted. So you can see Azerbaijan government scholarship, Italy scholarships, Germany scholarships, uh, Japan, South Korea, Spain, Thailand, UK, China, Switzerland, Google scholarships, Turkey scholarships, and Netherlands, Kazakhstan, Fulbright USA scholarship, Finland, and you can see multiple scholarships are there. Just visit our website fullscholarships.net, our YouTube channel Full Scholarships, and do remember to follow and subscribe before messaging us. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.